next segment. For that, I'll invite Suraj Sontake from vConstruct to present his solution, and that is Nirmaan. So I'll hand over to Suraj. Can we have a big round of applause for Suraj?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Mustafa. Yeah, I believe everybody back from break with high energy, as Mustafa said. So let's start. So I'm Suraj. I'm going to talk about NirmaanXD. It's a model-based construction scheduling application product that we have built by vConstruct. So before I dive deep into the application, more question. What are the widely used scheduling applications or softwares that you know? MSP? Primavera? Huh? Excel, yes. Yeah. People still use Excel. Yeah. So these are some of the tools that are widely used. P6, MSP, Excel, Synchro. And I want to talk about current processes and challenges with these applications. These are still manual processes where a scheduler or a planner is looking into different set of information. So majorly it's drawing. The details are buried across the place. And it's difficult to get all of them all together and create a perfect schedule. And that's where one of the challenge is it error prone. How many of the time we have seen that we are missing out on scheduling activities that are not even there in the schedule? So some of these issues, they show up. Also the duration calculation that happens, sometimes it's based on experience or gut feel that this much time it will take. They're not backed with data. And Martin in the morning suggested on data-driven scheduling or data-driven processes that we should follow. So it's still not perfectly done yet. So it kind of gives you inaccurate duration, which you can imagine like your schedule can get impacted with that. And it sets a bad tone for the entire construction project. Also with the manual process, it is time consuming. So it takes a lot of time to build schedule. For a mid-sized project, it takes days, weeks also to create a schedule. And with that, the problem is you can't really explore opportunities in which you can try to find out different options you could plan for your schedule. So there could be different way in which you can plan much better, but due to time constraint, we're often stuck with the initial plan what we have started, and we continue to build out of that. And lastly, the way these schedules are shared or communicated on the field is very traditional, like PDF version, list of activities, start date, duration, all of that. Even Gantt chart for some time. But then even these, they don't give you like visual indicator of what is going to get planned on field. So these are some of the challenges with these processes that we are following currently. So here we want to introduce you to our product, Nirmaan, where we are trying to break these challenges using that. So first, I want to give you an example where we have built in automation. So in this example, you will see that we will use the model information. So it will give you more visual idea. So here, I'm breaking the model into substructure and a superstructure just by click of a button. So it's using the information that's coming from the model that's driving that decision, and you also get your breakdown structure. Another example is like you can further break it using the model data. So again, model has the data in it. So we are using that. So it's broken the model or the level of detail into the different levels. just by click of button, and you can also visualize that in the 3D view. And you, without even typing anything, you get all the WBS or your levels broken out. Another thing with this is, with all those smart templates that we have, we are able to generate a list of activities or your work breakdown structure, which has productivity information, your crew size, your quantities that are coming from the model that is helping you derive the duration for your activities. So with a matter of few clicks, I'm able to generate somewhere around 750 list of line items or the work breakdown structure, where this would take, somebody would take hours or like even days to just get here. Because it is also giving you data, which is quantities, resources. Building a resource-loaded schedule is a tough problem, which is still not many people are doing. And that's where my emphasis is like on building a more accurate data. You are not missing out on your gaps in your schedule because you are visualizing as you are planning for your schedule. Lastly, I want to give you a teaser into like some of the features that we have. Like you may think model, I'm not used to working with model, but we have built a unique feature where you can interact with the 2D drawings as well. So here I'm marking up an area in the 2D drawing, and it's gonna light up the model. So with interacting with the drawing, you can leverage the model information and continue to build on that. So, and these are all integrated. So imagine your drawings integrated with your schedule. A lot of the time your PDF is somewhere else, your schedule is somewhere else. The way they are described in the PDFs doesn't match with the schedule. So all of those errors we are kind of eliminating by integrating these informations. Again, like on communication, so you can also simulate the sequence in the same application. You can view your look ahead, not just like through activities, but you can visualize it through the model. So to summarize, so we are able to generate more accurate data-backed schedule instead of going through the manual process. Again, it's more automated, so you are able to generate much faster schedule using the application. And with the simulations that we have, you can communicate it better with the on-site field, with visuals as well, along with the schedules that we have. So I know the time is short, so I would request if you have any questions, please visit our booth. We are happy to answer you. Yeah. Thank you.